As you can see, this guy right here actually recorded the video by saying that Daniel Ume, online hustle, Franklin Emmanuel, the finance YouTube scammers. So right in this video, I'm gonna be telling you whether they are real scammers or not. So before that, my name is Emmanuel. I'm an internet marketer, but I basically did the channel that I make videos on how to make money online. But I basically did that I try to sound like I found out something working for me. I show you guys. So by encouraging me, all you need to do for me just to click on this subscribe right here and turn on notification by putting it in this or. So every time I drop a video, YouTube actually give you a notification that I've actually dropped a video. So right in this video, I'm gonna be showing you whether the Daniel Hustle, online hustle, and frankly Emmanuel, whether they are real scammers. So right here, this is Daniel Hustle right here. So to show you whether he's a scammer or not a scammer, just come right here. So let me just check his community right here. So as you can see right here, if you scroll down right here, you're gonna be seeing that people are making money from his channel. This one say I made money. Okay, this one, if you come right here, this one say Dana, you are the best. I love your channel. I made my $5,000 with your video. So he reply here, which particular one. So right here, you can see this one. People are making money from his channel. This one is bro, I made $14. He reply right here, say keep it up, you will get bigger ones. So with this, Daniel Hustle is not a scammer. So the next one right here is online hustle. So as you can see, channel right here, you have 97.3k subscribers. So let me check his videos right here to check whether he's a scammer. So right here, if you come down right here, let me check. So this one right here say that I started listening to you for about a day and two now. I must tell you that I have been blessed. Thank you, boss. This one right here, your video was eye-open. I currently have $130 spending on my affiliate account. Just that the pending time is kind of long for the days after. Okay, with Bluehost. This one, I'm interested in terms of collecting complete tutorial on blocking. Okay, this one right here say I really enjoy watching your review and find it easily available and nice discount. So right here you can see that people so you can see that right here, online HustleTv is not a scammer. Another one right here is Franklin Emmanuel. As you can see right here, you have 70.9k subscribers. So to check whether it's a scammer, let me just click on one of his videos right here. Just click on this one right here. Okay.
So you want to make
right here. Let me just check to the comment down below to check what people are saying about him. So right here, as you can see, this one say, hi Franklin, you have added a lot of value to many of us. God will bless you. This one right here, thanks Franklin. Please do you have anybody to recommend as a mentor for software engineering? I want to. Okay, this one right here, I started already earlier this month on digital marketing. I think the application course I happen to be get away. So this one right here, your video is very educational. Thanks for the effort. So you can see that people are commenting good about his channel. So he's not a scammer. So continue, it's not a scam. So this guy right here that actually recorded this video by saying that they are scammers. So let's go check the video right here and check the comment and see and check what people. So right here, let me say. Okay, let me check the comment down below. So let us check what people commented, because some people we believe him and some we don't believe him. As you can see this one, these guys are doing well. I have learned so much from Daniel Hustle on his YouTube channel, and I'm looking forward to pay for his paid courses. So before you can criticize people, make sure you are doing better than them. So you see right here, Failure should not failure should not be criticizing success. You see that is so, bro. So right, I'm the one that comment like this one right here, bro. Are you doing this to get views? I don't just understand because I don't just understand him. So this one right here comment, man, in this online space you can't grow much and still have so much to learn. They make their research and open your eyes to ways to make money, but you don't want to do the work to get results too. So making money online is not like that easy. So when they let me say like me, if I post a video, not everybody that will benefit from it. You can watch, so we make money from what I post, and so we don't make money from what I post. So before making money, you have to put in work. You can't just open up and say you can just make money online like that. You have to put in work. So this one I say, guy, forget whatever others will say. You have just spoke the raw truth. Okay, because this one believe him because I have not benefited from what their videos. So this one right here comment. None of them are scammers. Actually, those guys are really trying their best. What I noticed, okay, right here, that's what people are. So this one right here say, hey, don't know how to, don't know how to do his best on his video tutorial, especially create and ranking videos with tool for beginners. Believe me, it has helped me a lot to drive traffic to my affiliate link. So this guy right here, I strongly believe that they are not scammers. So I don't know why you come and record video by saying that they are scammers. So those guys, they are not scammers. They teach legit on how to make money. Right? The thing there is that if they post, so we benefit from it, so we don't benefit from it, depending on how they put in work. So me too, yeah, right here, I do videos on how to make money online. When I post, so we benefit, and so we not benefit, depending on how you put in work. So thank you for watching.